Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover your academic standing with Chegg Tutors, beginner guide step by step clearly. To recover your academic standing using Chegg Tutors, start by visiting the Chegg website. Create an account if you don't already have one. Once logged in, navigate to the Tutoring section. Browse through the list of available subjects, click on the subject to view the tutors specializing in that area. Review the profiles of tutors, focusing on their qualifications and student ratings. Select a tutor whose expertise aligns with your requirements. Check the tutor's availability to ensure you can schedule a session. Click on the Book a Session button once you find a suitable time slot. Confirm your booking and ensure that you have any required materials ready. Prepare a list of specific questions or topics you want to discuss during your session. Join the session at the scheduled time by clicking on the link provided. Engage with your tutor by asking questions and seeking clarification on difficult concepts. Take notes during the session to help reinforce your understanding. After the session, review your notes and practice what you learned. If needed, consider booking additional sessions for continued support. Use the resources available on Chegg, such as study guides or practice problems, to further enhance your learning. Track your progress regularly to monitor improvements in your academic performance. Stay proactive about your studies and reach out for help whenever necessary. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.